And now for the man of the hour, my husband. As a little girl, I would always look at my parents and see the love that they had for each other, and I think to myself, I wonder who's gonna be my husband. What is he gonna look like? What is he gonna sound like? I used to imagine that even though I hadn't heard it yet, that one day, his voice would sound like home. This man is so much more than I could ever dream of. 5-year-old Marissa, who was dreaming of her Prince Charming, would be smiling ear to ear to see who she gets to marry. Josh, I know I've joked for a long time that I was working a wife job at a girlfriend salary, and that this day meant that I finally got the promotion I've been working so hard for. But I promise it's a title that I'll never take for granted. I'm so excited to see what the future holds for us.
I'd like to share with you an excerpt from The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. When he looked into her eyes, he learned the most important part of the language that all the world spoke. The language that everyone on earth was capable of understanding in their heart. It was love. Something older than humanity, more ancient than the desert. What the boy felt at that moment was that he was in the presence of the only woman in his life, and that with no need for words, she recognized the same thing. Because when you know the language, it's easy to understand that someone in the world awaits you, whether it's in the middle of the desert or in some great city like Toronto. And when two such people encounter each other, the past and the future become unimportant. There is only that moment and the incredible certainty that everything under the sun has been written by one hand only. It is the hand that evokes love and creates a twin soul for every person in the world. Without such love, one's dreams would have no meaning.
Marissa truly is our godsend. She has found in Josh what, in love language, we call a soulmate. We can see it, we definitely sense it, and we're so grateful for it. Marissa and Josh have been able to get on the ramp to the highway of life and living. Today, the weather was truly beautiful. It was warm, it was sunny. Marissa, it was essentially you, mirrored in nature's beauty for all to enjoy as you and Josh declared your love for each other. This is your day, Josh and Marissa, the center of joy surrounded by your large, extended, and loving family. Enjoy it. Celebrate it today and throughout the coming days, weeks, months, and years ahead. God bless and enjoy your happily ever after.